So the next topic is states of matter. We have been studying this from the previous classes. We have three states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. These are the characteristics solid exhibit. They have definite shape, distinct boundaries, fixed volume, that is negligible compressibility, tendency to maintain their shape when subjected to outside force, and may break under force, but it is difficult to change their shape, so are rigid. We cannot break a solid easily. But an example, we take a rubber band, it changes its shape when under pressure. Why is it so? A rubber band when stretched changes shape under force and regains the same shape when force is removed. जब भी हम रबर बैंड को स्ट्रेच करते हैं वो शेप तो चेंज कर लेता है, बट जैसे ही दैट फोर्स इज रिमूव्ड इट रीगेन्स इट्स ओरिजिनल शेप. बट अब इफ वी अप्लाई मोर प्रेशर, मोर फोर्स, इट ब्रेक्स. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज जब भी वी पुट सॉल्ट और शुगर इन एनी जार इट टेक्स द शेप ऑफ द जार. हम अगर कोई भी कांच के बर्तन में स्टोर करेंगे तो उसके बर्तन का वो शेप ले लेगा, या हम किसी ग्लास में स्टोर करेंगे तो वो ग्लास का शेप ले लेगा. व्हाई इज इट सो? सी शुगर और सॉल्ट है तो वो उतना टाइनी क्रिस्टल सी, तो शेप ऑफ ईच इंडिविजुअल शुगर और सॉल्ट क्रिस्टल रिमेन्स सेम. बट when we put in a plate or take in a hand or put in a jar, shape of a crystal will remain same. Therefore, we consider them as solids. Now, next example is sponge. We said solids cannot be compressed, but sponge can be compressed, but it is still a solid. See, sponge has minute holes in which air is trapped. When we press it, air is expelled out and we are able to compress it. And when we leave it, air again takes its space, so sponges regains its original position, original shape. Next solid example of water in solid is ice. Liquid, it has no fixed shape, it takes the volume space of the shape of the container in which they are kept. Agar we put it in a glass, the liquid will take the shape of a glass. If we take in a cup, it will take the shape of a cup. It has fixed volume, the volume remains the same whatever container we take. Liquids flow and change shape, so not rigid, and liquids can also be called as fluid. Solids and liquids can diffuse easily into liquids. See, solid example is sugar or salt. Liquid is if we mix two liquids. See, lemon juice is a liquid, and if we dissolve in water, it diffuses easily. Gases from the atmosphere diffuse and dissolve in water. The aquatic animals, they have dissolved oxygen and carbon dioxide in water, so they can easily breathe and survive in water. Therefore, gases are dissolved in water, so for the survival of the aquatic animals. Gases, especially oxygen and carbon dioxide, are essential for the survival of aquatic animals and plants. All the living creatures need to breathe for survival. They can breathe underwater due to the presence of dissolved oxygen in water. Solid, liquid and gases can dissolve into liquids. So it is the utmost property, necessity of a liquid that solid, liquid and gases, all three can dissolve into liquids. Rate of diffusion of liquids is higher than that of solid. कोई भी चीज अगर हम लिक्विड में उसको इंटरमिक्स करना चाहेंगे तो दैट विल बी फास्टर एज कंपेयर टू सॉलिड्स. This is due to the fact that in the liquid state, particles move freely and have greater space between each other as compared to particles in solid state. तो अब उन इंटरमोलिकुलर पार्टिकल, इंटरमोलिकुलर स्पेस ज़्यादा होगा, तो कोई भी पार्टिकल अगर हम उसमें ऐड करेंगे तो उसको इंटरमिक्सिंग के लिए ज़्यादा स्पेस मिलेगा, तो इसलिए वो ईजिली डिजॉल्व हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट वी हैव इज गैसेस. हाईली कंप्रेसिबल कंपेयर टू सॉलिड एंड लिक्विड. The liquefied petroleum gas cylinder that we get in our homes for cooking and the oxygen we are supplied in hospitals and cylinders are compressed gas. जो हमारी कुकिंग गैस होती है वो भी compressed होती है. The mountaineers use cylinders, उसमें ऑक्सीजन गैस होती है, तो that is also compressed gas. तभी तो वो mountaineers इतने लंबे लंबे माउंटेन्स क्लाइंब कर पाते हैं with the help of the oxygen in the cylinder. Compressed natural gas is used nowadays in a fuel as vehicles. Due to its high compressibility, high volume of gas can be compressed into a small cylinder to be transported easily. जब बहुत सारी गैस छोटे सिलेंडर में आ जाएगी तो वो ट्रांसपोर्ट भी इजीली हो जाएगी. जो माउंटेनियर्स होते हैं वरना उनको कितने सारे सिलेंडर्स कैरी करने पड़ते हैं, तो वो अपने आप को कैरी कर लेंगे और सिलेंडर्स को कैरी कर लें. इसलिए कंप्रेस्ड होके वो बहुत लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ ऑक्सीजन इज इनटू द सिलेंडर. We can sense the smell of food cooked from a distance because the particles of the aroma of the food mixed with the particles of air spread from the kitchen reach us and even farther away. तो जो hot food होता है उसके particles of the air के साथ mix up हो जाते हैं and they spread from the kitchen. So rate of diffusion is fastest in the case of gases. Particles move randomly at high speed. Due to this random movement, particles hit each other and also the walls of the container. तो जो गैस होता है they take the shape of the container, क्योंकि वो particles उसके बहुत randomly high speed पे move करते हैं और वो hit करते रहते हैं और उसी से उनका pressure भी exert होता है अपने container walls of the container के. See, here is the motion of the particles. Since solid के particles बहुत highly compact होते हैं तो they cannot move easily. Liquids में still intermolecular space is there, so they can move but not that freely as compared to gases. Gases can move around and at a very high speed and they exert pressure on the walls of the container. So we have questions on page number 6. Mass per volume of a substance is called density. Arrange in order of increasing density. See, we have to arrange these substances in the order of their density. First, air is increasing, so air is least dense, then exhaust from chimney, then cotton, then water, that is liquid, then honey, chalk and iron. You can observe increasing density. First we took gases, then liquid and then solids. Now differentiate between the characteristics of state of matter. See, rigidity. What is rigidity? It is a property of a substance to continue to remain in shape when treated with an external force. So solid it is most rigid, less rigid and least not rigidity. So because it is compressing, if after on compression it will regain its own shape, it will not continue to stay in its own shape. Compressibility, attribute of particles to contract its intermolecular space when exposed to external force. It's called compressibility. So least compressible, less and not compressible. These are compressible in nature, more compressible. Fluidity. Fluidity is the ability of a substance to flow. So no, yes and yes. Filling a gas container. So filling a gas container is particles take the shape of a container as they are moving randomly in all possible directions. So here filling a gas container, no. Liquid can fill a gas container and this is also yes. Shape. Definite structure of an object within its external boundary is solid. So it is here. Kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is the ability of a particle to move. But in solid case, kinetic energy is least. In liquid, it is more as compared to solids. And gases mein it has the maximum kinetic energy possible. So it can be written as solid, liquid and gas. Density. Density is mass per unit volume of a substance. So solid has the least density and liquid has the maximum density. Now next, a gas fills completely the vessel in which it is kept. See, why is it so? Because a gas can move randomly in all directions. Therefore it fills the container in which it is kept. Gas exert pressure on the walls of the container. See, why does it exert pressure on the walls of the container? Because gas is moving freely in all the directions. Its kinetic energy is very high. Kinetic energy is very high in gases, so they exert pressure on the walls of the container. A wooden table should be called a solid because wooden table exhibits all the properties of a solid, that is rigidity, compressibility, has fixed shape, size, and cannot be compressed, so it can be called a solid. We can easily move our hand in air, but to do the same through a solid block of wood we need a karate expert, because intermolecular space is less in solid as compared to liquid. So we can cut easily in air but not in solid as compared to gases. Liquids generally have low density as compared to solid, but ice floats in water. Why does ice float in water? Because ice have a higher density than ice density is less than density of water. Density of ice is less than density of water. That's why it floats in water. Ice has spaces between them for the air, so air particles can trap air, so ice can trap air in between, therefore its density is less as compared to water.